Ever wondered if 1.5-inch wheel spacers are safe for off-roading? Let's dive into the details. When you use quality 1.5-inch wheel spacers and install them correctly, they are indeed very safe and reliable for off-road adventures. In fact, these spacers make no more difference than wheels with a negative offset. Whether you add a 1.5-inch spacer or install a wheel with a negative 38.1 millimeter offset, the rim is still the same 38.1 millimeters away from the vehicle hub. The key to safety here is proper tightening of the wheel bolts. When torqued correctly, they will never come off, ensuring a secure fit. Now let's talk about the type of spacers. Hub-centric 1.5-inch wheel spacers, which are centered by the wheel's center metal ring and the hub flange, are a better choice than lug-centric ones. They provide a more tightly fit, reducing vibration. So if installed correctly and made of quality materials, 1.5-inch wheel spacers are a safe and reliable choice for off-roading. Now that we know 1.5-inch wheel spacers are safe, let's explore the benefits they offer for off-roading. These spacers provide the crucial room needed for larger wheels and tires. As stock wheels often have a positive offset, 1.5-inch wheel spacers allow for wider tires or even winter chains. They are also a budget-friendly alternative to offset rims when upgrading to larger tires. But it's not just about function. These spacers also enhance your vehicle's appearance, giving it a more aggressive, off-road ready look. Further, if you prioritize quality, there's no beating forged aluminum wheel spacers. Unlike their cast counterparts, these are crafted from a single piece of billet, making them incredibly strong and reliable. They are more resistant to the intense pressures of off-road driving, while cast spacers may suffer from porosity or cavities, leading to potential damage. In conclusion, not only are 1.5-inch wheel spacers safe for off-roading, but they also offer numerous benefits, as long as they are of high quality and properly installed.